You want this?
Yeah.
You want that one?
Yeah.
Oh, I like that. You did a good job. Do you want mine? Do you want my Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are they both orange? You want to cut it?
Yeah.
Is your favorite color orange?
Yeah.
It is.
White?
White?
Yeah.
You like white?
Yeah.
Okay, what's that face?
Cut it.
You cut it. Good job.
Cut
Cut it again?
it.
That's awesome.
Cut it. Down.
Yep.
Cut it.
You cut it.
Cut it.
Good job. Is that mine?
Yeah. Cut it. Down. Cut it.
You're gonna cut it? Yay! Is that for me?
Yeah.
It is.
Here.
Thank you.
Here.
It's all mine?
Yeah.
Maybe I should get like a plate for it.
Wait.
I'm gonna put it on the plate. These are all mine?
This doesn't have plates. A plate.
Is that what you like?
Yeah, a plate.
You like it like that?
Yeah.
Me too, that's nice. Do you want some more colors though?
Yeah.
No, lots of colors. I got lots of toys.
A plate. Wait.
We have another truck we're going to add to our collection. There's some orange in here.
Orange over there.
Look.
It's the chocolate. Is that a plate? A plate.
Look at all this stuff.
Wow.
What is this stuff? Good stuff?
Yeah.
What do we have here? These? These are like plates of different
A plate.
things. This one is a real plate. We used to make candy on. Like has candy. You make candy with it. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
I have silver. I got brown, purple.
Wow.
Brown and another brown. You want brown?
No. That was brown.
You want that one?
Orange. Orange.
It's orange?
Yeah.
You already have orange. You want more orange? I have more orange in the closet. This truck is orange. I have a truck that's orange for you. Isn't this cool? You can put this in here. You put it, no look, you put it in here.
No. Where?
And then look, you can go. You want to try it? Try it. It makes that shape. You want to see it? Makes like a construction sign. See, it made that. You did a good job.
Is it a one?
Yeah.